Assalamu alaikum students, I hope you all are good. I am Dr. Kamal Zaman from Shaheen School and College. Today we are going to start our first lecture which is based on human organ system. You can see on the screen that there are the different organs which are present in our body such as brain, heart, stomach, kidneys, intestine, liver and lungs. But before going to start this lesson we need to understand what is organ and what is system. Organ, a part of a body which perform particular function such as lungs, heart and kidneys. Lungs perform function or task. Lungs has a task to provide oxygen to our body and heart has a task to pump the blood throughout the body, and kidney has a task or a kidney has a work to filter the blood. Now what is system? System is a group of organs that work together to carry out a particular task. System है क्या? असल में सिस्टम मुख्तलिफ ऑर्गन्स मिलकर एक अपना ख़ास किस्म का काम करते हैं. जैसे कि हमारा सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम है. हमारे सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम में कौन कौन सी चीज़ें मौजूद हैं? जैसे कि हमारा हार्ट है एंड वीन्स हैं, आर्टरीज़ हैं. दीज आर द डिफरेंट parts of circulatory systems which perform a particular task. जो कि है कौन सा particular task है? वो है पंप करना. किस चीज़ को? ब्लड को पंप करना बॉडी की तरफ. And there is a muscular system and there is a skeletal system and excretory system, digestive system and respiratory system. These all are the systems, but in this lesson we will study only two systems which are the digestive system and respiratory system. So first of all we will study the digestive system. So what is digestion? The process of breakdown of food into smaller absorbable pieces is called digestion. Digestion क्या है? breakdown है किस चीज़ का? फूड का. किस चीज़ में? छोटे छोटे फूड के टुकड़ों में ब्रेकडाउन होना. और डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम क्या है? द प्रोसेस इज कैरीड आउट बाय सेट ऑफ ऑर्गन्स एंड टुगेदर दीज ऑर्गन्स फॉर्म डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम. एक ऐसा अमल जो कि मुख्तलिफ ऑर्गन्स परफॉर्म करते हैं. कौन से ऑर्गन्स? छोटे छोटे ऑर्गन्स डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम के. वो कौन से ऑर्गन्स हैं? आए हम पढ़ते हैं आगे. Now the components or parts of digestive system या छोटे छोटे organs जो digestive systems के हैं such as mouth, esophagus, stomach, large intestine, small intestine. These all are the smaller organs of digestive system. On the screen you can see the different other names as well as such as salivary glands, liver, gallbladder, pancreas. These are those names which help in the digestion. Now what is mouth? Mouth is the opening and cavity in the lower part of human face surrounded by the lips through which food is taken in and vocal sounds are emitted. In the picture you can see there is a mouth, teeth, tonsils, tongue and lip. What is here in the mouth? The digestion starts. There are the two types of digestions. Number one is a chemical digestion. Number two is a mechanical digestion. In the mouth both digestion occurs. How both digestion occurs? With the help of teeth the mechanical digestion occurs. Why mechanical? Because teeth break the food into smaller pieces. And how the chemical digestion occur in the mouth? The saliva which is present in the mouth which helps in the different food components, smaller components break down and it gives the moisture to the food to make it bolus. After the mouth there is a esophagus. Esophagus is the part of the alimentary canal which connects the throat to the stomach. In humans and other vertebrates it is a muscular tube lined with a mucous membrane. In the picture you can see there is a esophagus. किस चीज़ कहाँ से कहाँ तक है? माउथ से लेके स्टमक के स्टार्ट होने तक जो हमारी ट्यूब है दैट इज ईसोफेगस. ईसोफेगस कनेक्ट्स माउथ टू द stomach and in this picture you can see there is a one different name, that is alimentary canal. What is alimentary canal? हम digestive tract को alimentary canal भी कहते हैं, या इसका अदर नेम क्या है? gastrointestinal tract, digestive system and gastrointestinal tract and alimentary canal. Alimentary canal starts from mouth to the anus. Now what is stomach? The internal organ in which the major part of digestion of food occurs, being in humans and many mammals. A pear-shaped enlargement of alimentary canal linking the esophagus to the small intestine. In the picture you can see there is a stomach. Stomach का क्या काम है? फूड को ब्रेक करना. फर्दर ब्रेकडाउन जो है फूड का स्टमक में होता है. आफ्टर द chewing in the mouth, the breakdown occurs into the stomach, and then this stomach in the food which is present in the stomach goes to the small intestine for the further absorption. Now what is small intestine? In the picture you can see there is a small intestine. The small intestine, or other name of small intestine is small bowel, is an organ in the gastrointestinal tract where the most of the end absorption of nutrients and minerals from food takes place. It lies between the stomach and large intestine and receives biles and pancreatic juices through the pancreatic duct to aid in digestion. अब जो भी फर्दर हमारे मिनरल्स एंड न्यूट्रिएंट्स का एब्जॉर्प्शन है या जज्ब होना कहाँ पे होता है? स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन में. किसकी मदद से? कुछ जूसेस होते हैं जो हेल्प करते हैं. कौन से जूसेस होते हैं? जो कि पैनक्रियाज प्रोवाइड करता है, लिवर प्रोवाइड करता है, या गॉल ब्लैडर प्रोवाइड करता है. पहले भी हमने स्टार्ट ऑफ द लेक्चर में मैंने ये नाम आपको बताए थे. Now what is large intestine? The large intestine, also known as the large bowel, is the last part of the gastrointestinal tract and digestive system in vertebrates. Water is absorbed here and remaining waste material is stored as feces before being removed by defecation. तो क्या है लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन? लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन आखिरी पार्ट है किस चीज़ का? गैस्ट्रो इंटेस्टाइनल ट्रैक्ट का या एलिमेंट्री कैनाल का. तो इसमें क्या होता है? इसमें वाटर का एब्जॉर्प्शन होता है एंड जो रिमेनिंग वेस्ट मटेरियल होता है वो इसमें स्टोर होता है, सच एज जो हमारे फीसेस है, स्टूल है, जो रिमेनिंग पार्ट है हमारे फूड का जो एब्जॉर्ब नहीं होता या प्रॉपर तरीके से डाइजेस्ट नहीं होता, तो वो स्टोर कहाँ होता है? स्टोर इन द लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन. Now come to the diseases of digestive system. The common diseases which are diarrhea and constipation. So first we know the diarrhea. What is diarrhea? The passage of 3 or more loose or liquid stools per day or more frequent passage than is normal for the individual. What is diarrhea? Diarrhea means 2 से 3 दफ़ा लिक्विड ही स्टूल पास करना किसी भी नॉर्मल या इंडिविजुअल इंसान के लिए, ये है डायरिया. जिसे हम सिंपल हम अपनी लैंग्वेज में क्या कहते हैं? मोशन भी कहते हैं. सो कॉजेज़ क्या हैं इसके? व्हाट आर दी कॉजेज़? इट इज़ कॉज्ड बाय इन्फेक्शन ऑफ बैक्टीरिया, वायरस एंड पैरासाइट्स. सिम्टम्स, क्या क्या सिम्टम्स होते हैं, क्या क्या फील होता है हमें डायरिया में? एब्डोमिनल पेन, नोजिया एंड ब्लॉटिंग. What is treatment? Treatment is ORS, light food and medicines. But if you feel further difficulty before using medicine, you must visit the doctor. Now, what is constipation? Constipation ऐसे ही है जैसे opposite to the diarrhea. डायरिया में लूज मोशंस या लिक्विड ही स्टूल पास होता है, लेकिन इन द कॉन्स्टिपेशन देयर इज़ अ हार्ड स्टूल, मीन्स the person is unable to pass the feces or pass the stool. So in the medical language, what we know the constipation, infrequent bowel movements or difficult passage of stool that persist for several weeks or longer. What are the causes? Causes are the changes to what you eat or your activities, हमारी activities क्या हैं, हम क्या खाते हैं जिसकी वजह से हमें constipation होती है, and not enough water or fiber in your diet, and eating a lot of dairy products, not being active. So these are all are the causes of constipation. Now what is treatment of constipation? Using more fruits and vegetables in diet and exercise and drinking more water. And if the person feels more persistence after this treatment, like the person is using more vegetables, more fruits, exercising and drinking more water, then that person must visit the doctor or use the some medications. Thank you so much. In the next time we will understand the respiratory tract. I hope you have understood the all lecture, and now you will go through the book reading from chapter number 1, which is human organ system. Thank you so much.